my legs feel that good. Sheer energy pantyhose look terrific.
He depends on me for loving.
The ultimate enthusiast Camaro is the Z-28 with special new Z-28 sport striping, its own body color horizontal bar grille, full width front air dam, and front and rear fender flares. Beneath the hood is a 5.7-liter 4-barrel V8.
We are going to get a 1981 Camaro Z-28. Now, 1981 Camaro Z-28, full restoration. This car is extremely important to the family that we are going to restore it for. Stephanie, her father purchased this car brand spanking new, 1981. And the car was out in Colorado, and they located the car, brought it back to Wisconsin, well in this case Minnesota, and we're driving over to La Crescent, Minnesota to pick it up, to bring it into the shop, have it restored, and hopefully have it back by Mother's Day or Father's Day of next spring, so they can drive it for the summer. But it's going to be restored back to original. Don't know much about the car right now. We did a preview of it, but I'm told that the motor runs, but it runs very rough, so I don't know if it has compression problems or anything like that. We might have a full engine rebuild on our hands. We might have a pull the engine out and a repaint. We don't know anything yet. And the plans are, after it's done, is to hand it down to their children's years down the road. So, kind of a cool project. All right, the magic Camaro.
Yeah, brought the keys this time.
There you go. Is there anything you want to say before you take it in?
I mean,
Say something to your wife when she's not here for the future?
Does she know you're doing this?
she does.
She does,
I
yeah.
told her to come out, but she wanted to stay with our daughter and make sure she got fed enough.
That's
Apparently
good.
I don't feed her enough. So. But yeah, no, she'll come by the shop later, and
Awesome.
I'm excited for you guys to meet, and I know she's really looking forward to this. So yeah, no, I'd say go for it, give her hell, and I'm excited to see what we can make happen here.
Oh yeah.
You know, this means a lot to my wife, so it's there's like a lot of emotions in this one, and we're excited that we found you to work on it, because I've only known you for a little bit, but you kind of give me that sense of trust, and I think that's really important. So really excited.
Awesome.
I think the muffler is gonna hit when you come up over the gonna fight you.
You know what's important? A good battery.
Oh no! He just said that. Oh, come on.
I should have taken the T-top off.
Yeah, that could have made it a lot easier, huh?
All right. We have at least
We're trying to make you feel as young as possible here.
Yeah.
Right, exactly.
We have at least 2 horsepower here to push it in. So.
Hope you're feeling strong.
Don't go too fast.
Right there. All right, Kathy.
Yeah.
All right.
Awesome!
Boom.
Okay.
Battery now, so there we go. Woohoo.
New battery in the camera. Battery in the Camaro is dead. It wanted to run so bad. It just was, it was wanting to be there, but it's been sitting for many, many years. The carburetor is full of garbage, I would imagine. And I would imagine the fuel that's in the fuel tank is garbage also. So for to have it to run as little as it did, quite frankly, was amazing. And it's a positive start to this project that it actually fired, it actually ran for a little bit. But yeah, picking it up right now. It's in the back trailer following us to the shop. We'll get it unloaded in the shop, and tomorrow the owners are gonna visit, or Wednesday, and we're gonna find out exactly what direction they want us to go with it. I know they want the exterior restored to as close as original as possible, as it was for her father. But the interior, we might throw a little curveball at it. So anyway, great day. Get the Camaro back to the shop. Let the guys take a look at it. See what direction we're gonna go.
Here we go again. Radio. Nemesis. Okay, I hope the brakes work because I'm behind it.
Just sacrifice your body.
Yeah.
Don't let anything in the shop get messed up.
Yep.
Okay, straight.
Lord, I hope the brakes work.
Straight. Okay. There.
I should move.
Release.
Vacuum.
Vacuum operating.
The rust, rear quarters, hood has some across the front, so who knows what that'll end up being, if it'll be bad or good.
That's
Dents, something fell across the hood. I think this is fiberglass.
the scoop.
Yep. The interior, she wants to go all out on the interior. But the exterior wants to keep as close to what it is now. I told him, I said, let's get rid of these. He's like, yeah. You know, the door bumpers. This door hinge, the hinges, the pins is shot. I don't know about that one over there, but this one definitely drops ½ inch.
Big ass screwdriver. I was
know what that is for? I had the same screwdriver in my Camaro. When it got hot, it wouldn't throw the Bendix for the starter, so I had to go underneath it and jump it to make it go. This T-top cover? Probably. Ooh, mice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Go wash your hands.
It's original, untouched, no accidents apparently. So what we got is what we see. That one is rotted out, that whole side.
Yeah.
Down low, but
Yeah.
this side's pretty solid. Yeah, the paint color is called dark blue metallic.
That's original.
Yeah. Yep, dark blue metallic.
Why are you doing this?
Why am I doing this? Okay, this afternoon, the owners of this car are coming in to take a look at it. We're going to talk about what we want to accomplish in the restoration. Now, they want to paint it the original color. Right now, you cannot tell what the original color is. So, I'm going to bring, hopefully, some of the original color back out. So they can see if they like the original color.
What are you using?
I am using, it's called Pure Cut. It is a polishing compound. This is semi-aggressive, and it takes off all of the oxidation. And it gets us back down to the original color. So this is step one in a 3-step process. I'm only going to do step one here because we don't want it perfect. We don't need it perfect. We just need to see the original color. There you go.
Well, that makes a huge difference, huh?
It's still not perfect.
Well, no, it's not,
But it
but
gives
it's
them-
very different than what that is.
Yeah. Gives them an idea of the color. I want to make sure they like it. Now this has been painted because the paint is splotchy. This is painted by someone who doesn't really know what they're doing. The metallic flake, they didn't do what's called a top coat or the finish coat correctly, so the metallic is very splotchy. So it's not original, so I don't know if this is original color. It is a blue, but we'll find out if they like it. Yeah, big change. That took a whole 5 minutes. A true paint restoration to do a hood like this is literally 2 to 3 hours easy just for a hood like this because of all of the different contours. If it's a flat hood, obviously it would take less, but this has a lot going on. Just the hood to do paint restoration, literally 2 to 3 hours to do it right. So there you go. I just wanted to show people how you can bring old paint to life with a little elbow grease. There you go.